everyone, I'm Miss Sammy.
Hello, I'm Miss Olivia. Miss Sammy, which song are we going to sing?
Today, we're going to sing 1, 2, Buckle My Shoe.
First, we listen.
1, 2, buckle my shoes. 3, 4, knock at the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat 10.
Let's sing together.
Ready, go!
Hope you like this song.
See you next time.
Goodbye.
Tongue twister challenge.
Hello everyone, it's Miss Sammy. Let's do a tongue twister. I'm going to do it 3 times from slow to fast. Now, listen carefully. 4 fine fresh fish for you. 4 fine fresh fish for you. 4 fine fresh fish for you. Are you ready? Let's do it. 4 fine fresh fish for you. 4 fine fresh fish for you. 4 fine fresh fish for you. Wow, you all did really great. You may take the challenge anytime. Good luck with the challenge. See you later.